Hello everyone, how's everyone going? My name is Sanjeev and just wanted to come on here and share a awesome thing that's been happening in one of the community that I have found, and really excited to share my growth. Currently I'm learning a lot of new things and also keeping a journal in gratitude, writing things that's good things that's actually happening in my life, and just sharing my knowledge on different things that I'm doing. Example, starting a business model that's you're going to be earning recurring commission on an ongoing basis. So it's really exciting, and just sharing my journey and sharing my success along the way, and also to help others to spread the word out there that I know there's a lot of people out there who just rely on one single income stream. But during COVID, we have actually learned that you shouldn't just be relying on one income stream. You should be able to have multiple income streams that, something, in case something happens tomorrow, you can always rely on the other ones. And actually, a lot of people got depressed during COVID because a lot of people actually lost their job, and at that time they didn't have any other backup plan. And luckily I wasn't in that situation, but I know my friends were, my family members were actually impacted by the actual crisis that was happening. So that actually taught me a lesson that anything can happen in this day and age. And because of that, I was always looking for different ways how I can have a better skill set so I can earn more online. And this day and age is not difficult to earn online. There's so many avenues that you can generate income from. But I was also looking at finding a right community where I can actually learn from people who are actually doing amazing things in the community, and also earning at the same time. And an awesome book that I'm also reading that I got from this community that I would like to pass it to you. It's like a escape plan that if you just trapped in the matrix, you'd like to get out of the matrix. That book is really helping me in developing my mindset and to be able to grow. So if you also would like to escape the matrix and to live a stress-free life and be able to give out more focus and attention to whatever you want to do, I'll leave a link in the description, so you can go and check it out for yourself. It's a free ebook that you can have, then you can download and start reading it. So it's going to change a lot of things in your life. So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and I cannot wait to connect to you soon. Bye bye.